2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, security system, fog lights, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.